Is your computer feeling sluggish, taking forever to boot, or just acting plain weird? Don't worry, you don't need to buy a new laptop. Just give it a little TLC with the right free tools. I've rounded up my favorite free PC cleaners and optimizers, all designed to be user-friendly and easy to use, to help you reclaim space, boost your system's speed, and keep it running smoothly. Let's jump in. First up, Glary Utilities, the Swiss Army knife for your PC. Glary Utilities is like having a toolbox with every gadget you could ever need. It's got over 20 different utilities to clean, fix, and speed up your system. From cleaning up junk files to fixing registry errors and even managing your startup programs. Glary's got your back. If you want an all-in-one solution, this is it. Next, Microsoft PC Manager, the official lightweight fixer. This one's straight from Microsoft, so you know it's safe and super easy to use. PC Manager helps you clear temporary files, manage startup applications, and keep your system running efficiently. It's perfect if you want something simple and don't want to mess with a bunch of settings. Third, CC Cleaner, free version, the classic cleaner. CCleaner's been around forever, and for good reason. It zaps junk files, browser cache, and temp files in seconds. You'll free up space, cut down on load times, and your computer will feel way snappier. With just a couple of clicks, you're good to go. Fourth, Advanced System Care, free the real-time booster. If you want your PC to feel brand new, Advanced System Care is a solid pick. It offers real-time optimization, cleans up junk, and even has an app manager to keep things tidy. It's perfect for boosting RAM and making multitasking smoother. Last but not least, Malware Free, the hidden threat hunter. Malware isn't just for viruses. It's also fantastic for finding and removing sneaky malware, spyware, and adware that can slow down your system. Run a scan every now and then, and you'll be surprised at what it digs up. It's the perfect sidekick to your primary antivirus. Quick reality check. No tool is going to fix everything magically, but using a combo of these will keep your PC running way better than just ignoring the problem. And hey, they're all free, so you've got nothing to lose. With these tools, you can be confident in the improved performance and efficiency of your PC. Additionally, all the download links for these tools are provided below so that you can try them out for yourself. Now that your PC is running faster than ever, why not take your browsing to the next level? Tap the next video to discover the best free and paid VPNs to stay secure, stream globally, and unlock hidden content, no matter where you are. Do you have a favorite PC cleaner or a wild "my computer was so slow" story? Drop it in the comments. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.